Alrighty guys, today we're going to Kruger, we're gonna find some cats and we're actually also going to sleep there. A little bit change of plans and we're excited.
Yeah, that's gonna be good fun.
Hey buddies! Hello!
So we're no longer in Greater Kruger,
Yeah.
we are in Kruger. Did you know us? We're friends, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No, we're friends.
We're friends.
Yeah. Best mates.
You can sit on our roof and
Yeah,
you can join us for
come.
a little ride.
You'll catch some bugs along the way.
Yeah.
Awesome. His testosterone levels have dropped because that older bull's more dominant. He's got more testosterone and he will probably only mate for the first time when he's 30.
Oh really?
I have some friends like that, shame.
Me too, me
Yeah,
too.
no, but yeah, so
R.I.P.
Yeah, oh, sucks to be then. And it flies like this. It looks very unbalanced.
Yeah.
It looks like a tightrope. Straight into the sun.
Yeah.
It's fresh, but not that fresh.
No river though, but that's a big herd of elephants. Wow.
Yes, this is a huge herd.
Yeah.
Here's a very little one.
Yeah.
Look at that one. That thing is easily a couple weeks old. And he just waves it around. It's kind of like just
Really?
in front of him. He doesn't
Yeah, there you
actually
go.
know what to do with it. That is so cute.
Oh, this is awesome.
At least 100 meters and there's just elephants everywhere.
Big ears. Crazy big.
Yeah.
Just us talking about elephant penises.
147 kilogram penis.
Carry it around.
I mean, I'm not saying mine's the same size.
I mean, it comes close.
I've heard
Yeah.
people tell me. You know, I actually only weigh 2 kilos.
Myself?
The rest is all, as they'd say.
Yeah, because you're just one big dick.
It's so big it makes up most of my personality as well.
Alrighty guys, so we're actually arrived at Kruger. We're gonna stay here for 2 nights, 3 days, just in another little hut. As you can see, it's quite awesome place. How you doing?
I'm doing great, how you doing? Cool, are we gonna head off on our sunset drive?
Let's go. Some controlled fires here. Just
So upset.
oh, it's frustrating. Oh, there was this eagle just in front of the
The moon
moon.
would have framed the eagle perfectly, and the moon is red because of the sunset and the fire and the smoke. But
But there was another tree that was just in the way.
it was going to be beautiful.
Oh,
But you know what, those shots only happen once in a blue moon.
oh my gosh. Oh no, I'm really pissed about that.
Not a bad way to end the day. Man.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
be
true.
honest.
This is an awesome way to end the day. Alrighty guys, it's very early in the morning. Going for another drive. Let's see what we can find today. How you doing?
I'm on fire, baby. How you doing?
Alrighty guys, so we have arrived at a new place. This is our house. Once again an outside kitchen. Very normal here in South Africa probably. But not for me. And then these are our beds. Nothing too crazy, but it's cool. Oh, and we fucked up. Some freaking yogurt.
I don't want to say fuck up, I'd say we learned a life lesson.
Oh, we learned a life lesson. What's the lesson then?
Store yogurt in something more solid.
Life lesson for you. Free. That's free.
Free.
Free of charge.
I'm not going to charge.
Only press the like button.
Okay.
Yeah, subscribe. Alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Otherwise we might have to send some hyenas after you.
We know where to find some.
Yeah, we're gonna find them just now actually. On a hyena hunt. Yeah, without the gun. Without the gun, with a
different type.
I've got the gun in my name and then the camera in my hand. This is skull as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Elephant. Cute, eh?
Yeah, they're really cute.
So yeah, she'll hide them here. They're being a bit cheeky by lying where they shouldn't be.
I was just gonna say it's not real hiding.
Cute, eh? Look at that, man. That's where they're hiding.
Ah.
Yeah, so there may be even more in there. You see the poo there? The white stuff?
Yeah.
That's hyena poo.
Really?
Because what do they predominantly eat? Bones.
Oh, they
Yeah.
eat bones. They eat bones. I didn't know
Their
that.
jaws are that strong. They crack bones, they eat bones. That's why there's so much calcium in their poo.
So that's cool. They will probably feed on that. Or
No problem.
Really?
Yeah, that's why
Wow.
you find bones lying around randomly. Believe it or not, giraffes pick them up.
really?
Giraffes
Why?
suck on bones to get calcium in their diet.
Oh.
They don't necessarily eat them, like
Yeah.
chew on them. Well, they might chew on them a bit, but they suck on them to get calcium.
Yeah. Baby hyena.
Chunk,
Yeah. I think that's really cool actually.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's fucking awesome. It's gonna climb up it.
Not bad, eh?
Crazy actually.
How big it is.
Yeah.
Look how much land there is. Just all for the animals.
Yeah.
We're here for them.
Imagine just going camping and then you look outside and then you see impalas and monkeys running around. So I'm not too sure, but I think they found some spaghetti. Oh my gosh. Yep, they found some spaghetti sticks. We have a lot actually. Very early in the morning. It's 5:50 and we're gonna speed up to the more south part of Kruger.
We haven't met, but I've known you for a while.
Oh no, it literally must be like 10 minutes.
10 minutes
Not
between
even.
zebras, giraffe, elephant.
Oh yeah, no,
Hey, that's not a
that's not
giraffe.
even 10 minutes, it's been like 2 minutes.
Yeah, actually,
Warthog, impala, zebra, giraffe, yeah.
Crazy.
Can run another 1,000 miles. I remember my everlasting hunger came to a close. I was walking fearlessly, but now I fly.
Wow,
There we go.
freaking rhino.
Rhino for you.
He still has his horn.
Yeah, which is great. Let's get on that side. Just pick shit out of the way, yeah.
With you, everything is.
Nico, you're a bit excited, man.
Yeah, I'm freaking excited, man.
I feel your love. You are my shelter.
And then we got an elephant crossing the road in front of us.
Wow, it's a big boy.
I mean, just your casual day in Africa, folks.
Yeah. Man, a freaking rhino. That was. Oh, wow. Happy that we saw that.
No, flip beyond happy. So now that we got Rhino,
Go for the cat.
go for the kitty cat.
I hear your voice deep in the water. With you, everything is worth a try.
Get down on it. Get down on it. Here we go. Here we go. Ah, you tease.
Yeah. Just fucking around.
Quite literally. He's looking for his friend and he's waiting for his friends to be like, yeah, you got this.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Come on, Justin, you got it.
You got this. I'm complimented by the fact that you think I'm like that.
You're welcome.
No, thanks, man. Only I think I'm more successful.
Yeah, you're the only one who thinks that.
My ego needs this.
Yeah. Into the bush.
Into the bush.
I thought you were into the bush.
I am, but he's in the bush.